Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Anas and this is Solar FPV, and boy have I got loads of stuff for you. So I've had some days off, which has been really nice. I was able to recap a lot of videos online. I was able to start building the Tyro 79 kit, which unfortunately is not the same as the pre-built one. At least not if all the, excuse me while I just get you there. It's not the same, and I don't know what I did, but I did something wrong, that's for sure. Again, but I already ordered new parts. The ESC wasn't working, only two of the ESCs on this 4-in-1 were working. Test continuity and everything was fine with the cables and everything. Thought maybe it could be the plug. So I did some soldering on the plug, and I might have accidentally splattered something on the flight controller, because it did burn right there. Can you see that? Puffed up with smoke. So that's fried. The only thing that's left that works is the VTX, which I don't know if it's all that good, but it looks okay. It's just a little heavy. Doesn't matter. I've ordered lots of replacements to make my own custom kind of one, because I kind of like this. I do like these beefy motors. It's got some grunt. A little unusual. I might change the motors in time. But I can't afford any new motors right now because I gotta wait for payday. Yeah. So what else have I got? Well, this video is not gonna be about the Tyro. I actually made another intro which is outside yesterday for this video, but I decided to make a new one because I changed the props on this little thing, and I just wanted you to listen to this with these other blades. You know, these props from HQ Props, it just sounds like a little Twig. Not very noisy, but with this is just ridiculous. Like an adapter so I can use some other batteries, like these 450s. And I'm just going to show you what this thing sounds like with these. I'm going to go flying with this later. It's very windy now, but I'm going to go flying anyway. I'm going to find a place where I can fly this. And but all I wanted to show you was just the sound of this. There we go. Right, so, and I was really surprised. These are Racer Star props. So, very unusual. It's so stable. And this is running an Emuflight, the new latest version, with some a preset, a Twig preset. I'm blowing all my screws all over the place. Whoa. So anyway, so that's super quiet. I'm just gonna... Did I just blow all my screws down on my carpet? I think I did. But yeah, this is super quiet. I'm just gonna try and go for a little flight in the house and see if you can hear it. It's probably the quietest little thing I've ever built. So that's going to be really nice. I can go and fly this anywhere. It's working really well. The new VTX is working really well. I got damn good range. Good picture with this camera, the Ant Light. Yeah. So let's just cut to the video that I actually did. Hi and welcome to Solar FPV. Today I'm gonna go flying a bit, my red-eye Twig. I already did a little flight here from the garden, which I'm gonna share, a few crashes. just a little FPV. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's a day off. It's nice to have a day off. So I've had 2 days off. Got a lot of stuff done here in homestead. And yeah, getting ready for the springtime. You know, with the garden and everything. Yeah, that's all ready. And still lots more to do here. Cut some trees and trim some trees and all kinds of stuff to get the garden nice and ready for planting, because it's kind of springtime. Although there has been nightly frost. Don't know why I keep looking up there. There's nothing up there. Just just my face. So, oh, wait a second. It's all dusty. There we go. So, yeah, so I'm gonna head down to the sports field and fly a bit down there, just because it's a little safer. And I just want to see how long this little red-eyed Twig can fly on the 1100 milliamp battery. The milliampage countage is not totally correct, so you can't really count that. But yeah, it seems to be doing pretty good. These Sologood batteries are not as bad as I thought they were. So yeah. Yo, so that's it for today. This is like where I fly. I also have a bin for like dog poops. Andy, RC, if you ever watch this, doubt you will. But that's our pooper bin. But this is the flight spot. Obviously it's a place, I didn't take the gap. The gap is the tunnel, you saw it. but I'm not gonna take that. I only have one battery. I just wanted to see how long it would fly. I did slam the drone, as you saw, like over one of those things, and the battery got flown out, and then I just plugged the same battery in and tried flying again. It seems to come up in voltage. When it gets lower, it comes up again to about 4 volts, and the battery seems to be okay. It's a little warm, but nothing crazy, like pocket warm. So yeah, that's it for me. This nice and sunny day. I'm gonna go and relax, and I've got more batteries, so maybe more flight footage, or maybe I'll just, you know, just have fun flying. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're flying as well. And yeah, I guess the YouTube videos are going to come up more randomly now. So, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for much more. Maybe I'll do the Tyro build video again. I've got like an hour and a half of video footage. And yeah, so yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching right to the end. And thank you for subscribing. Comment down below if there's anything you want to ask me. I always answer all my questions on my comments. And as always, fly hard.